So that's just one.
Woo! Happy New Year, everybody!
We're a little bit early.
No.
There you go. There you go. Countdown.
Come on, must be more than that.
That's it. Okay, everyone go home.
That's just the practice countdown.
That's about it. Okay.
Countdown.
The next one's in about 10.
5, 4, 3,
7.
7.
10. 9.
Happy New Year!
Oh, we can actually see this shit.
I don't think they can see the sky shower.
No, they're just getting drunk.
Reloading, it's called.
Yeah.
Go home, fight later.
Just warming up, eh? Warming up. Warming up.
Alright, good about me.
Oh, gotta put the fire out.
Yeah.
Warming up. Warming up. And it's just like boom, boom, boom.
How'd it go?
Boom, boom, boom.
Fireworks. Boom, boom, boom.
That's a bonus fireworks.
What
No,
does
they've
the
been
fox
firing
say?
them off a little bit.
Wow,
that's
how-
Wow.
Oh, that's it.
That's it. All right. Oh, no. It's warming up.
I always have a big finale.
Yeah.
You know, like an Asian orgasm.
Wait, Are you Asian now, are you?
Grand finale.
Glam finale.
Sorry, Connie.
What is an Asian orgasm? I don't know
Grand
that.
finale.
A glam
You know,
finale.
Teresa's Asian too, right?
No, she's got us She's got us
Sorry, Teresa, you're not Asian.
Evidently, I don't count.
Yeah.
No, you're white.
What?
I'm a banana.
Banana! Banana! Crunchy!
That's how she say Korea. Ready?
There we go, that's the finale. Yeah, look at that one.
Woo! That's the finale. Okay.
More.
Just did it.
Go on, next
Go.
You
one.
won't want to see them.
Go on, Gareth. Gareth.
It's still warming up. Okay, that's the finale.
No, it's just
Oh,
starting.
okay. Oh, it's too slow. It's like, come on.
Do you like it? Do you like it
You're on
fast?
fire.
Oh, yeah.
Do you like it cookie?
I want something like flash, like boom, boom,
She's
boom.
marrying Nick, so she must.
Well, that's how she gets her gland for that. Hurry up! Finish! Hurry up! I want to see it. Hurry up!
Hurry up, hurry up.
Motorway's moving now.
That's where all your rates are going, people.
Nice.
Yay, Lenny.
Yeah,
There's the
like-
dodgy Mears money there.
That's our tax rate.
Yeah, no, the
It's the
Auckland Council paid for that one over there.
It's the Mears,
That's paid for by Sky City.
By the
Mears brothel
ambulance.
fund.
I think Glenbrook we're gonna increase our tax now.
He does every year, alright.
That's paid for by the people putting money into slot machines. See?
That's decent.
Yeah, that's colourful.
There you go.
Look at that.
Boom, boom,
What's
boom.
about to happen now?
I know that would be awesome to be at the Sky Tower watching that. You would be able to see it.
It's actually quite a lot better
I
here.
don't know. I think it might be a whole lot of smoke.
Yeah.
Underneath you just see them blowing around the outside, whereas here you see them going out.
Really?
Quite a bit
Yeah.
here.
Like
Many years
Yeah.
practice at the Sky Tower tells us that.
Yeah.
we've been there one of the New Years, and it's just like, no, you're not gonna appreciate. It's just like, where is
You
it?
see the ones in the
Where-
distance.
Yeah, it's
You
like,
would have seen the ones on the harbour though. Oh no, it's all
Yeah.
the smoke clouding that.
No, it's better than harbor.
They didn't do harbour this year.
But
Not really.
but that one, no.
So
It's-
you're right underneath it and you look up, don't you get a lot of ash raining
Yep.
down on you?
Yes.
Considering it's
Yeah.
a perfectly clear night, it would have been.
You can see really it's
I'm
really
bright.
bright, but at the same time you can feel the ashes and the smoke.
So you kind
The
of want
smoke
to
is
wear
all coming
glasses.
right down on
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see it falling there.
Because one New Year we're there, me and Nick is just like, okay, we're not gonna do it anymore.
Well, especially if you've got this one.
That was pretty cool.
Oh!
Yeah, that's nice. Fountain.
Oh, very nice.
That is
That's
pretty.
a lot.
Yeah, that's the finale.
More. No, that's not.
No,
Oh,
way.
oh, there you go.
That could be finale.
Oh, it's beautiful.
That's the finale.
Oh. Now it's flashing fancy colours.
Yeah, flash, flash,
And they're
flash.
doing the these Elston's doing their trying to reverse the.
Very nice.
He's going.
Very nice, very nice.
Turn around.
And nice.
Oh,
And
yeah.
nice.
Austin Powers.
Oh my god, 2004. 2014,
There
guys.
you go. Don't.
2004.
Oh,
Baby, Happy New Year.
don't.
Happy New Year. Why are you touching me?
Just because he wouldn't be.
I've got snuffles and
Oh, it's
everything.
Happy New Year. Mwah. I miss it again. They missed it
I
again.
think you might have got it on camera.
No.
Yeah.